车台湾看世界，来看美国白宫请记者食饭发生着枪击案。讲美国的正副总统退离的过程引发着讨论。讲副总统范斯伫短短4秒，就互随后扭离开现场。但是川普是经过30秒才离开，川普甚至搁当下跋一倒。
外口有枪声，内底民众是惊甲骇起。当地时间26日，美国白宫记者协会暗会发生枪击案。 想要到美国正副总统退离的过程引发讨论，其中一段画面显示，副总统 Vance 团队会当讲是人带着走，规个过程敢若开4秒。不过附近上重要爱保护的总统 Trump 竟然搁留伫咧位里，但全副武装的维安人员赶紧来甲带走，行无2步 ，Trump 搁无说离跋倒，规个过程30秒才总算是离开现场。Trump 甲 Vance 之间退离的时间差嘛，伫咧网络顶造成话题。
Nobody told me this was such a dangerous profession. If Marco would have told me, maybe I wouldn't have run. Maybe I would have said, I'll take a pass.
Still looking to try to understand a motive from our preliminary investigation. It does appear the suspect was targeting members of the administration.
参加暗会个卫生部长 Kennedy 离世，国防部长 Hexas、国土安全部长 Mullin 甲众议院长 Johnson， 拢是接任美國總統順時的政府高官。賓州民主黨籍嘅參議員 Fetterman 表示，這個槍擊案是明顯表現白宮有設宴會廳嘅必要性。
I mean, I don't have a dog in that fight about that ballroom, but they need to have the kind of facility that to have these kinds of events that have absolute security and they have the kinds of appropriate ability to accommodate a crowd just like that.
嘛，因为办记者暗会所在就是当年过往的前总统 Reagan 拄着枪击，臭名通人知的Hilton饭店，加上纽約郵報引述來自加州的這個槍手伫咧作案的自白，嘛警體飯店根本無親像伊所想，每3公尺就有一個警察甲監視器。司法部嘛呼籲撤銷阻擋宴會廳施工的訴訟，才會當更較好來保護總統。
Hello， 我是蒋欣梅，想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。